My name is Lisa and I'm a teacher with Latinquarter Dance School based in Belfast. This tutorial covers the basic footwork of Salsa on One. Taking the trouble to learn the basic Salsa footwork before joining the class would be a major advantage. The timing for Salsa on One is as follows. Starting on the right for the lady. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You might find it easier to think of the basic footwork as rock steps. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. Rock, rock, close. It's not necessary to close your feet, you can step through, but ensure that you're transferring your weight every time you take a step. Now I'll show you the lead steps for dancing Salsa on One. Starting on the left for the lead. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock, rock, close, rock, rock, close. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rock. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like to watch more of our videos, you can find a YouTube link on our website. The website address is www.latinquarter.uk.com.